A regional community braving the rain to crush the spread of coronavirus.
Oh, it's not good, but we've got to do what you've got to do.
I've been standing here for nearly 3 hours.
As well as lining up to be tested in Kilmore, 177 locals and their families are self-isolating after being told they'd been in contact with a cafe waitress who's since tested positive.
And they're doing that not just on behalf of themselves, they're doing it on behalf of the whole community.
And there's a new tactic. The health department says anyone who's been to this cafe can get tested even if they do not have symptoms.
If you've been there between Wednesday the 30th of September and last Saturday the 3rd of October, please get tested, full stop.
The cases in Kilmore are linked to an outbreak at Chadstone shopping centre in Melbourne South. That cluster has grown to 31 in 6 days. Here, every shop has been door-knocked twice for staff to be assessed. Neighbouring businesses have also been checked, and more than 1,300 people here have been screened at the on-site testing centre.
Chadstone looks like it's being contained within the footprint that we established for itself. And of course, this is one of the critical elements of what we're trying to do, is to rapidly throw a cordon around any outbreaks to make sure that contacts and their close contacts are all kept together.
But it's a cluster that could easily jeopardise plans to ease restrictions.
It just speaks to how widely infectious it is, that it can run, even when it's well handled, you can finish up with 30 plus cases.
Victoria has recorded 6 more cases on a day when 16,000 tests were processed. And sadly, there were 2 more deaths, bringing the state's death toll to 809. There are now 206 active cases in the state. Importantly, the 14-day rolling average of new cases has dipped to single figures. The government wants it to be 5 or less in 11 days to ease restrictions.
This trend is with us, the strategy is working.
On the political front, it appears crossbenchers aren't with Daniel Andrews when it comes to the omnibus bill. A part of the bill would have made it easier for authorities to detain people during the pandemic. That was criticised as being excessive, and that aspect has now been removed from the bill. Iskhandar Razak, ABC News, Melbourne.